Hey guys, thanks for watching Cheap Shot. Today we got something a little bit different. Just picked up the Mavic Mini. It's the everyday fly cam drone, the Fly More combo. We're going to use this for some videos from now on, so I figured a lot of people are interested in this. We'll open it up with you and just so you can see what all's in it, how it's packaged. Now, I've never owned or even flown a drone before, so this is completely unbiased in any way, shape, or form. I have no other expectations to compare this to. I think a lot of people with their Corona bucks might be getting one of these here in the next couple of days, so we'll go ahead and see. Open it up. Right on top, we've got our very nice case. We'll hold on to that. We'll get some different boxes. This right here, we got that symbol on the side. Looks like this is probably some propeller guards. Now, when I would see pictures of these propeller guards, they looked kind of cheap. They almost looked like something that you could 3D print a little bit better. They're pretty sturdy, but I wouldn't say this would protect anything in a crash. Now, like I said, I have no idea. I've never owned a drone before, so there's two of them in there. What else we got in here? We've got, looks like a power adapter. Run of the mill, basic. Ooh, feels pretty heavy. And then we got some silicone gel packets if you're hungry. Instruction manual, we don't need that. And looks like our batteries. Now the Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries, which makes the combo $100 more, but these batteries are $40, $45 each. So, you know, with those 2 batteries, you're $90 right there. You might as well just get the combo. They feel pretty good. They don't feel cheap. No, this is a Chinese company, but was it DJI? Yeah, DJI. I guess they make the best drone stuff. I heard if you're going to buy one, you go DJI, you go nothing. So here we go. We got the nice case. Feels pretty soft, feels pretty durable. I would feel confident strapping that to a carabiner on a backpack or something. And let's open it up. Boom, there she is. Ain't she pretty? Here's our battery charger. That feels cheap as heck. That, I've been very impressed with everything else, but this just feels, it feels cheap. That could have been a little thicker, I think. Whoops, that's not the way it goes. I think it is. Oh, that is the way it goes, huh? That snaps in there. I guess I should have read the instructions. Oh, and that's how you pull it out. So, that's interesting. We've got, what's in here? Combo accessories. I bet these are your propeller guards or your spare propellers. Nope. We got different cables for charging and attaching the controller to the remote. Sounds good. These are probably our propellers, huh? Yep. Spare propellers. And the Mini Air. All right, everything I've seen online has shown that this thing is small, it's tiny, and it's light. But honestly, like I didn't understand how light this is. For reference, here is let's do this. Here is a standard Yeti mug, and I would say the Yeti mug weighs twice as much as this drone. Holy cow! I thought this would be a lot heavier than it is, but it's not, and I guess that's why it's only, what is it, 249 grams. So, remove gimbal protector. There's our gimbal. Wow. This is light. Unfold front arms forward. We got all this tape on here. Those have a solid snap. Wow. Oh my god, this is so light. And then I think these fold down and up. I don't like how these propellers are taped together. This folds down and up. Wow. So there it is. I mean, there ain't nothing to it. Ain't nothing but a thing, huh? That's insane. Charge to activate the battery before first time use. Wow. Where's that battery go? I wonder how much different it weighs with the battery. You know, still nothing. This Yeti is still, I would say now it probably weighs just slightly less than the Yeti, but holy cow, I was just not prepared for that at all. It's got a nice dull finish to it. Wow. I mean, I feel like if I, you know, this is foam right here. I feel like if I just squeeze this super hard, I would break it. That's crazy. Wow. You know, it's got the gimbal on the front. And me with a 3D printer, I'd already printed out a gimbal protector. Printed in orange to hopefully maybe see it better in the sun. So there that goes. Wow. This is crazy. How do these come back in again? Will they fold in with the gimbal protector on it? Wow, crazy. I've seen lots of people, they print prop guards for it to hold these props in place. I can see now why you'd want that. It's definitely going to be next on my list. But insane. Let's look at the controller, huh? Controller feels great. I mean, I had a lot of crappy RC cars from Toys R Us growing up, and I was expecting that kind of feel with this controller. But no, it feels pretty solid. It feels like durable, thick plastic. Those thread right in, I guess. That was nice. Very quick return. I imagine that's very important. Wow. Then those pop up, huh? Yep. They got a couple positions they lock into. Looks like 2. Wow, this is decent. Your phone will go in here, but naturally I'm using my phone to record because it's the best camera I got for indoors. But this is crazy. I mean, the controller weighs as much as the drone itself. Wow. All right. So I tell you what, we'll get some of these batteries charged up, and you can join me for the first test ride. Like I said, I've never even flown a drone before, so we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, this is footage from my very first time taking it out. Like I said, I had never flown a drone before. I skipped the tutorial because that's just the type of person I am. So I just want to kind of show you this to kind of get an example of what you can expect kind of performance-wise as you fly it for the first time. I found it very easy to fly. Kind of had to get used to the controls. I ended up switching from mode 2, which is the default mode, to mode 3. I kind of like that a little bit more. It definitely takes some practice. I set my altitude max and my distance max pretty low just so it wouldn't get away from me. Easily found myself wishing I hadn't done that I could stretch my legs a little more. It was quite windy. You know, once I get high looking at this road, I kind of realized that, you know, I was getting that high wind warnings, and I just wanted to take it nice and slow, so I brought it back down. But otherwise, it was fantastic. I'm sure with a lot more practice, I'll get a lot better. So the rest of the video is just kind of me flying around the parking lot, trying different things. We'll put some music on it, and I hope you enjoy it. Overall, I really like this Mavic Mini. It's very much surprised me, and I'm happy with the purchase. So Thanks for watching Cheap Shot. If you've ever peed in a pool, please like and subscribe. Thanks again.